Hey there guys, Abners here, and today we are checking out this quick push game console. I got this toy for my daughter. It's for ages 3 and up. Those are basically what you get with this toy: lighting, the music, and educational and lighting, hand-eye coordination. So I guess those are the benefits when your kid plays with this toy, aside from their smartphones and tablets. So this is the main game console, the quick push. I ordered the pink one for my daughter. We also got a small Phillips screwdriver and some basic quick start guide. Based on our manual, there are 4 modes on which we can use the quick push game console. There's the pass-through mode, model of memory for the second, scoring model, and multiplayer mode. So those are the parts for our quick push game console. And now let's go to the actual quick push game console. This is modeled after the Pop-Its stress reliever. So we would be able to press these circles right here, just like a Pop-It stress reliever pad. So this is our on and off button on the middle. We can control the level of sound using this button on the right. And the one here on the left is for the mode selection. Remember, there are 4 modes which we can use this console for. So this button is the one you use to choose which mode you are going to play with. On top is this where the sound will be coming out, and there are handles in here, so it's textured on the sides. And on the back is our battery compartment being held by one Phillips screw head. So we take the included small Phillips screwdriver, take out the screw, and pull this cover off. You would need 3X AAA batteries to power our quick push game console. Cover it up, and there we go. Should be ready to play our quick push game console. So the back part of our quick push game console is literally the one that you push right here. So it can be pushed inward so that you can reset our Pop-It like mechanism on the front. I wasn't really exaggerating when I said this is modeled to be like the Pop-It's stress reliever toys, which you are probably familiar with. So you can press these like that. See? And then this is what we use to reset our pad on the front. It's easy to push with 2 fingers on the back, and when you push it, it should reset our front panel like this. And there you go. That's how you reset the console right there using this pushing mechanism on the back. So I turn this on, push the button on the middle. So there are lights as well. So there you go. Apparently this is called the back plate, the one that we push on the back. As I mentioned, you can control the volume using this button. You can also mute it. So there are 3 levels to the volume. So we are now on the pass-through mode. So that is the first mode. If you want to choose other modes, use the button right here. Oh, no. So this is how you skip levels. See, so 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So let's push on the backplate and try 1 for the pass-through mode. So let's do it. Push the back. That's how you play it. So you reset it, and it shows you another combination. You press it, reset again. If you push the wrong buttons, it will tell you. So there you go. If you push the wrong button, it will go back to the first level. So you reset it. So that is the pass-through mode. So let's see how we can move on to the other modes. To go through other game modes, just push this button right here for 3 seconds firmly. So now we are on the memory mode game. So you push on the back plate. So you copy that. This and this. So that's how you play the memory mode. So this one gets harder. So there are levels as well, and it goes faster. So let's go to the other mode. Press this for 3 seconds. So we are now on the scoring mode. So let's push the back plate. So that's how you play the scoring mode. So all buttons that lights up on our front panel, you would press until you have pressed them all, then you will reset it. So let's go to the last mode. So this is now on the multiplayer mode. This way you can play with an opponent. Okay, so now player 2. So there, whoever gets it wrong from both of the players 1 and 2. So of course that's the loser, and the winner is the one who did not commit the wrong button push. So that is the multiplayer mode where you can play with an opponent. So to go back to the first mode, just press this again. So we're back on the stage mode where there are, I think, more than 50 levels that you can play just on this mode alone. There you go guys with our quick push game console. your kids would really love this one. And as you can see, it also powers off automatically when you are not using it. So let's just turn it on again. As you can see, this will be a lot of fun for your kids to play with, maybe in the multiplayer mode or all the modes that's available. And if you want to check this out, I will put a purchase link on the video description so you can check this one out if you are interested. Okay, again, this is the Quick Push game console. So I hope you like this quick unboxing and review of the Quick Push game console. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our toy reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here.
You win. Perfect.
That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.